What's up, everybody? Feet's here. Little tip on opening RS232 connectors. They are a bit of a pain in the butt, but you can get the pins out. And they're nice ones. All the way from top to bottom. Gold plating. Or something could be gold. Sometimes the magnets don't pick them up. Take you something you can get into these little flanges here with. Pry them loose, and then try the other one. Chisel time. Waka 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 waka. And you pop out the plastic with the pins in it. You can see my thumb's in the way. You just pull them out if they don't fall out. Well, anyway, these boogers don't want to fall out, but that's how to get them apart. See, they don't really want to stick. But the solder was, they do, but gold pins, and that's how you get them apart. See ya!